welcome back everybody to another video. I am your host, Mike. I am your local realtor here in the Boise, Idaho area. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a property tour of a home located in Mountain Home, Idaho. It is approximately 40 to 45 minutes southeast of Boise. It is known to be a military town. We have an Air Force base out here. And yeah, it's a quick drive up to Boise. However, we are going to be touring a luxury custom home here. It is currently on the market as of the filming of this video. This is Monday. It's going to be Monday, the 11th of December. This property is located at 4315 Northwest Purple Sage Circle in Mountain Home. It is listed at $849,000. It's been on the market for approximately 85 days as of today. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 780 square foot home. It is a single level home. You have a 3-car garage. You also have an RV bay as well, which you will see. This home does have what they are calling a junior suite. It's a separate room with its own attached bathroom, which is very nice. You will have tall ceilings throughout the home. You're gonna have hard surface finish, so granite countertops. I believe it's granite throughout the home. You're gonna have gas fireplace, gas stove. There is a ton of custom features in this home. I think you guys are really gonna like it. You are also sitting on just shy of 1.5 acres as well. So you get out here in the Mountain Home, you have a little bit more space to breathe, a little bit more distance in between you and your neighbors. And the HOA, they have the transfer fees, and it looks like it's gonna be $150 per quarter. So really not too bad HOA. But without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the tour and get into it.
All right, guys, so we're gonna start on the exterior of the home. Here you get a good shot of the RV garage. And as we make our way around the front of the home, we'll walk up the driveway here and you'll get a good shot of the other 3-car garage that is attached. The home has a very nice entrance. As we make our way in, opens up to a great room, tall ceilings, dining room to your left, and you have your office on the opposite side over on your right of the entry. Really like the office, those glass doors. Now as we make our way into the living room, a nice big fan up there moves a lot of air, and here's a shot of the backyard and your kitchen. Really great layout for the person that likes to entertain. We're gonna take a look at the pantry here. Good size, lots of storage. Now we're going to make our way into the master bedroom. Our first stop is going to be the his and her closets. As you can see, storage in both. And then the master bedroom here, nice tall ceilings again with a fan. And then we'll make our way into the master bath, his and her sinks, tub, and separate walk-in shower. And in that door that I went past there, that is actually where the toilet is. So it does have its own separate room. Back into the living room, dining room, and we're going to make our way now into what they are calling the junior suite. Walk-in closet, and it's got its own separate full bath. Really cool idea, I think. I think it's really nice. Make our way into some of the other bedrooms. All the bedrooms have these really nice walk-in closets with all this storage as well. And then into the mud room. This is going to be your third full bath here. And right across the hall from here is going to be your powder room, which you'll see in just a second. Here's the 4th bedroom. And now here I'm going to show you the powder room I had mentioned. Nice to be able to keep the guests, you know, out of the kids' bathroom if that's how you're going to use that there. Here's your laundry room, and then we walk right into the 3-car with the RV bay. Really good size. And then I'm going to take you back through the house here, just so you can get another quick look at it, get a good feel for the layout, and then we'll go take a look at the back patio. Really good size back patio. Fan out there as well. You do have a gas line ran to the patio as well, so you can hook up your gas barbecue if you so please. And this does sit on an 1.5 acre lot, so great size lot. That is going to conclude the tour for today. I appreciate you guys sticking around. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.